Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I have a long list of summer cocktails. It can be sangria, either red or white, strawberry daiquiri, watermelon mojito, margarita, and many others. Another one I like is Harvey Wallbanger. With a gorgeous combination of vodka and Galliano, along with orange juice, this quick and easy drink is very refreshing. A great one to sip on a hot summer day. So let's get mixing. In a tall glass, we'll add ice cubes before pouring in about 1.5 ounces of vodka, and then top it up with orange juice. We'll give a quick stir. Next, we'll create a float by using the back of a bar spoon and slowly pour the Galliano over, which is a gorgeous Italian liqueur with nice herbal flavor. For the finishing touch, we'll add a wheel of orange along with a couple maraschino cherries. And my friends, this is our Harvey Wallbanger. Super quick to make, this oldie is simply fabulous. This classic is tasty and so refreshing. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!